Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my very first Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoy it. I am going to be cleaning my living room and decorating for the holiday. And you'll see my son just in the way. Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah. I ended up having to get more garland the next day because this just wasn't enough. I've been watching you. The finished look. I added some snow, I added more garland. I'll probably be adding stuff as I go. I put my lights up, but I think I'm gonna add more to the window. And yeah, stay tuned guys for Vlogmas Day 2.